Hey, if you love wood and you want to put a skirt around this post anchor in wood to match, like let's say a treated pine post, you can do it. We've got the counterbore holes in this particular post anchor, so you'll notice that that allows for a very flush fit with the screws on the deck surface. And then we make these ourselves. We actually machine these little dovetails into the corner of each of these parts, and you can see what happens is I take one of these little dovetails, I feed it in, push it down. It's kind of difficult for you to see here, but what I've done there is I've pushed it all the way in. It's a very precise fit, and I'm going to do the same on this side, and it's a dry fit, and look at that. It is a perfect, precise fit. Now, if you'd like, you can put some white glue in there, and you can make that a really permanent fixture, but the takeaway from all this is that you get this kind of a nice look. It's a very, very finished look, and for people who love wood, this is the way to go. So this comes in both treated pine and cedar, western red cedar. It comes in opening sizes of 3.5 inches, 4 inches, 5.5 inches, and 6 inches. So if you love wood, pick some of these up. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.